What is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. Oh my gosh, this is the first time that you guys are seeing my blue hair. What the heck? Yeah, I decided to dye my hair blue, or more of like a minty, like blue pastel color, just because like literally like one of my favorite colors. So I was like, why not have it on my head? Also guys, I'm low-key trying to recover from being sick. I've been sick for like the past week, and like that's why I kind of sound a little bit nasally right now, so don't mind that. For today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my room tour. It's been a hot minute since I filmed a room tour. The last one that I did was my fall room tour, which was filmed back in 2017, I believe. That was a long time ago. What the heck? Also, my butt's like vibrating right now. Who the heck? Oh my gosh, Twitter, seriously, leave me alone. I have been working on my room for like the past almost year now, and I feel like it's actually like starting to come together now, and I thought it'd be fun to kind of share it with you. I know it's never going to be perfect, but right now it's pretty close to how I want it. There's still a few pieces that are missing, but for now, this is what you're getting. Also guys, make sure you guys are following me on my vlog channel. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. Basically, that's where you get to see like all my weirdness to like a higher level, you know? On my vlog channel, you guys get to see more of like a behind the scenes on how I film my videos, basically just like my daily life. Follow me around and such. Alright guys, so I think that's everything that I need to say for now. So without further ado, let's jump in right into this video. Okay guys, so to start off, this is pretty much the overview of my room. I really wanted something that was very like minimalist, yet bohemian, yet my style, which is like very bright and saturated. So I definitely feel like the whole room is definitely coming together in that whole aspect. So right when you walk in, into the left side, you have this little marble table, which I think I actually got at Walmart for like $9. So it was super inexpensive. And then I just have a random book, a couple of my camera chargers, this whiteboard. So moving on to the left side, you have my closet, super messy closet. Then you also have my dresser, suitcase, drawers, pretty much just everything that's random. Then you just have one of my nightstands. I actually got this nightstand on Amazon. It came in a set of 2 for $70, so I thought it was super inexpensive, and I really like the mid-century modern vibes it gives out. And then just above that, I have my little macrame, which I also got off of Amazon for $13, I believe. Moving on to my bed, I have this headboard, which I got from At Home. I think the bed, like the actual bedding, is actually from Walmart as well. If your boy loves Walmart, let me tell you that. Then I just have these pillows. I really just fell in love with these pillows. Freaking love them. I got them at Home. And then the palm leaf one I actually got at Walmart. Shocker. And then I have my actual big rug, which, guess where I got it? Walmart. And guys, I was actually shocked when like I found it, because first of all, I really just love the print and everything, but it was only $18. I was just like mind blown when I saw that price. I was just like, we're definitely gonna get it. So then just in front of my bed, I have this display cabinet, which I got from At Home. And yeah, so basically I just have my Polaroids, my Polaroid book, just a couple of random boxes that have a whole bunch of random knickknacks in them. Above that, I just have a candle, hella magazines, and yeah, just a whole bunch of like miscellaneous stuff. Then next to that, I just have my chair, which I ordered off of Target. It was on sale, so I was like, let's get it. I just have this cactus, which is from At Home, and then I have this hat that I actually hung up there with blue tape. And then the clock above that I actually got from At Home like a few years ago actually. And then next to my curtains, I actually have these 3 little mirrors, which are from Walmart. Surprise. And then I actually have this picture frame, cactus picture frame, which is from At Home. Below that I have my other nightstand, just have a little mini real cactus. And then I just have this little basket full of like blankets, a pillow and stuff. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my room tour. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos in the future, more updated room tours, because I will definitely do them for you. I could do a summer room tour, another fall room tour. Again guys, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, you definitely should. Everything is linked down below for you guys to go do so. So that's pretty much for this video. I will see you guys in the next one.